Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to talk about yes or no question suffixes and why we say yes or no question suffixes. Because in this case, we will learn some kind of suffixes to make questions, but it doesn't mean that you need to use those suffixes in every single question sentence in Turkish. What I mean? Let's see. This is the structure of creating yes or no question suffixes. You will create your own sentence in positive sentence. After that, you will add m or mi or mu or mu suffixes at the end of your sentence, and it becomes automatically yes or no question. And the answer is yes, evet, or no, hayır. And let me explain what I mean just before. If you have some kind of question words already, for example, how, when, why, what, who, how much, how many, where, and those kind of question words are enough to make question in Turkish. And we won't use m, mi, mu, mu question suffix in those kind of question. If you're asking yes or no question, it means your answer will be yes or no. You will ask those kind of situations like, is this a table? Is the weather cold? Or are you available? And those kind of sentences, questions, requires me, mi, mu, mu. And the structure is, as I said before, positive sentence like that. Bu masa. This is a table. And in English, you need to change the sequence to make it is this a table. Is coming to the before sentence, beginning to the sentence. But here, you will see your sentence will be the same. Let me show you. You can say bu masa. It means this is a table. And you can say bu ne. It means what is this? And you can ask this question, is this a table? Now, in English, you changed the sequence of the words is and this changed. But in Turkish, you will use this sentence again, bu masa. This is a table. And at the end of your sentence, you will add a suitable question suffix from m, mi, mu, mu. And m is suitable for masa because depends on vowel harmony, like this picture. A and I vowel at the end will be related with m. E and I will be related with mi. O and U will be related with mu. And U will be related with mu. And this is the same rule as vowel harmony. And now we have 4 types of suffixes. And remember lad, lad, plural suffix topic. And we had 2 different types of plural suffix. But here, now you will have 4 types of question suffixes. That's why you will split your a, o, into 2 groups. E, o, into 2 groups too. And a will be related with m, and that's why we said m for this. It is this a table? And question suffixes mu, mi, mu, mu will be always at the end of the sentence, and the rest of the sentence will be same with the positive structure of it. Bu masa, okay. Bu masa mı? Is this a table? Bu kalem, this is a pencil. And let's ask, is this a pencil? Bu kalem mi? That's it. Bu bardak, this is glass. Bu bardak mı? Is this a glass? Okay. And let's turn back the file. Evet, bu masa. Hayır, bu masa değil. And this word is very important, değil. It means not. And there is no any other word in Turkish to say not. That's why you need to know what is değil. Değil means not. And again, it is different with English because English, you need to use this not word not at the end of your sentence. For example, evet bu masa. Yes, this is a table. Hayır bu masa değil. It means no, it is not a table. Okay. And this not is coming after is in English sentence. This not is coming at the end of the sentence in Turkish. You need to say this not at the end. Bu masa değil, bu bardak değil, bu kalem değil. It is not pencil, it is not glass, it is not table. Okay, this is the structure. Now it is time to make practice. Bu dolap mı? Is this a cupboard? Evet, dolap. Yes, it is. Bu masa mı? Hayır, masa değil, not table. Koltuk. Koltuk is sofa, like this. And when you say hayır, masa değil, you can say what is the name of that object to fix the person who is asking the question. And I said, no, it is not table, it is sofa. Hayır, masa değil, koltuk. And next one, bunlar köpek mi? Are those dogs? Evet, köpek. Yes, dogs. And next page. Okay. Now, I want you to try to choose the correct question suffix from mı, mi, mu, mü, and complete the sentences, question sentences, and let's try to give an answer with evet or hayır to those questions. You can take your time, you can pause the video and try to do this by yourself. But before this, let me give you the meaning of the words. Not so important to make them question, but important to understand what you ask. Öğrenci is student. Sınıf is classroom. Kalabalık is crowded. It is busy as city or an environment. Busy environment, crowded environment. Kalabalık. Yüzük is ring. This one. Postacı is postman. We saw it. Temiz is clean as adjective. We will ask the question, bu öğrenci something. This is a student, and when you add a question suffix here, it becomes, is this a student? Let's choose the correct answer. I will start to say the correct answers in 5 seconds. Bu öğrenci mi? Evet, bu öğrenci. Hayır, bu öğrenci değil. Bu sınıf mı? Evet, bu sınıf. Hayır, bu sınıf değil. No, it is not a classroom. İstanbul kalabalık mı? Evet, İstanbul kalabalık. Hayır, İstanbul kalabalık değil. No, Istanbul is not crowded. Bunlar yüzük mü? Evet, bunlar yüzük. Hayır, bunlar yüzük değil. Are those rings? Yes, those are rings. No, those are not rings. O postacı mı? Evet, o postacı. Hayır, o postacı değil. Is this a postman? Yes, this is a postman. No, this is not a postman. Ev temiz mi? Is the house clean? Evet, ev temiz. Hayır, ev temiz değil. No, the house is not clean. Okay, how was it? I wonder your opinions. Next one is again an exercise. Please stop the video and try to do them by yourself. I will give you the meanings of those words. After that, I will wait for 5 seconds and I will start to say the correct answers. Çanta is bag. Chauffeur is driver. Perde is curtain. Ev, we know it is house. Hemşire, we know it is nurse. Futbolcu, we know it is football player. Okay, we will ask, is this a bag? Is this a driver? Is this a curtain? Is this a house? Is this a nurse? Is this a footballer? Ready? Okay. Şu çanta mı? Evet, şu çanta. Hayır, şu çanta değil. O ev mi? Evet, o ev. Hayır, o ev değil. Şu şoför mü? Evet, şu şoför. Hayır, şu şoför değil. O hemşire mi? Evet, o hemşire. Hayır, o hemşire değil. Şu perde mi? Evet, şu perde. Hayır, şu perde değil. O futbolcu mu? Evet, o futbolcu. Hayır, o futbolcu değil. Okay. And now you have some answers and you will create the question which is suitable for that answer. Your answer is this. Evet, bu sandalye. Sandalye was chair. Okay, perfect. And the answer is yes, this is a chair. And what will you ask? We need to ask, is this a chair? Hayır, köpek değil. No, it is not a dog. Evet, şu sözlük. Yes, it is a dictionary. Sözlük is a dictionary. Hayır, o gözlük değil. No, it is not a glasses. Okay. And let's create the questions. Try to do by yourself and check your answers after me. Bu sandalye mi? Evet, bu sandalye. Bu köpek mi? Hayır, köpek değil. Şu sözlük mü? Evet, şu sözlük. O gözlük mü? Hayır, o gözlük değil. Very good. And this is the last exercise that we have about question suffixes. And now again, yes, this is a chair. No, it is not a dog, it is a cat. Yes, this is a dictionary. No, it is not a glasses, it is a hat. Şapka. Evet, o basketbolcu. It is basketball player. Bu sandalye mi? Evet, bu sandalye. O köpek mi? Hayır, köpek değil. Bu kedi. No, it is not a dog. It is a cat. Şu sözlük mü? Evet, şu sözlük. Yes, that is a dictionary. O gözlük mü? Hayır, o gözlük değil. Şapka. No, it is not a glasses. It is a hat. O basketbolcu mu? Is this a basketball player? Yes, it is. Okay. This was the last exercise that we need to do about this. And you can ask all the questions you have. I wonder how is this topic? What do you think about this? And please share your opinions with me. See you in the next class. I hope you enjoy with this class. Görüşürüz.